wabarakatuh. Selamat
Waalaikumsalam.
siang, salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Terima kasih kepada Bapak-Bapak dari PLTU Belitung yang sudah berkenan hadir dalam training OPC server yang akan kita laksanakan hari ini. Training ini dilakukan sehubungan dengan pengadaan software dan instalasi OPC server yang diadakan oleh PT Imeco Intersarana. Training ini akan dibawakan oleh Mr. Hui dari Nexus Control dan saya perkenalkan di dalam di dalam meeting room ini juga ada Bapak Ikas Tarigan. Bapak Ikas akan membantu kita dalam komunikasi dengan Pak Hui-nya. Jadi sebagai translator atau interpreter gitu Pak Anta. Nanti jika Bapak-bapak dari PJB ada pertanyaan akan dibantu dengan Pak Ikasnya Pak. Gitu. Jadi Pak Ikas.
Ya Pak.
Persilahkan Pak Hui untuk memulainya Pak.
Oh oke. Mr. Hui, we can start the training now, if you may.
Okay, no problem. I think now can start. So I needed to share my screen.
One sec. Pak Jeremy, katanya berarti Pak Hui share screen berarti ya?
Oke.
Okay, so Mr. Hui, you can share your screen.
Okay. Okay, I can start to my training for the OPC server configuration for OC4000 version 6.3. Today, the first is thank you for joining my training. So today I will try to introduce the OPC server configuration to you, and you later you can, based on my document or my introduce, can configuration the OPC server and the OPC client. So now I will start to introduce the OPC server configuration.
Oke, so jadi Bapak Hui ini akan memulai trainingnya. Dia akan menjelaskan step by step untuk penggunaan OPC servernya. Oke, Mr. Hui, can continue.
Yeah, thank you. The first is I will introduce the program, the OPC server program installation, the first one.
Okay.
Okay. Now, for the OPC server installation program, we needed to install the twice times. So one is for server, and another is for client. So, okay.
Oh, sorry. Oke, jadi sesuai yang Bapak Hui katakan, untuk menggunakan OPC server installation ada 2 step. Yang pertama itu instalasi untuk server, yang kedua instalasi untuk client. Oke. Mr. Hui, you can continue.
Yeah. So, this step, the key point is we need to new photo for OPC server before the installation. Path normally the path is OC4000 6.3 and Bing. I show them. You see?
Okay, so you can show us the path.
Normally, this is the installation path.
Okay. Okay, I can. May I translate a bit?
Translate, yes.
Okay. Jadi dalam instalasi OPC server ini ada 2 hal yang penting. Yang pertama itu kita butuh tempat folder baru sebelum kita install OPC servernya. Yang kedua, yang sudah pasti itu kita harus mengingat lokasinya atau path-nya di mana kita menginstal OPC server ini. Jadi nanti kita bisa lebih mudah untuk mengatur datanya juga, mengatur servernya juga dengan baik. Now you may continue, Mr. Hui.
Okay.
Maaf Pak Jeremy,
Oke.
ini
Ya, Pak.
bisa di full screen nggak Pak? Nggak kelihatan di sini soalnya.
Okay.
Tunggu.
Wait, Mr. Hui, sorry. There's a technical condition there. They want to full screen in the meeting room, so the trainee can see the screen.
Mungkin Pak Hui-nya bisa perbesar resolusi ininya juga kali Pak Ikas ya.
Oh, okay.
Resolusi laptop.
Mr. Hui, can you make the PowerPoint?
Yeah,
Bigger,
I know.
yeah.
Yes. This one?
Yes. Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Alright.
sorry. I also forgot about this. Yeah. Now you may.
Gimana Pak Anta? Apakah lebih jelas Pak?
Because
Pak.
because why I don't make this version PPT. So maybe I want to step by step to show you how to install the installation and how to set up and configurations. So I think I can show you. So I don't make that screen. So
Oh,
okay, I said one by one.
Oke. Jadi tadi Mr. Hui berpikir kalau dia tuh bisa ngelakuin step by step dulu gitu. Nanti ya kalian bisa melihat gitu dengan baik. Tapi kayak gini juga nggak apa-apa kata dia. Kalau misalnya emang kurang jelas screen-nya ya bisa dibesarkan biar kita juga bisa ngeliat dengan baik katanya. Berarti apakah masih ada kendala untuk pihak PLTU sebelum kita lanjutkan?
Sudah Pak.
Ya, terima kasih. Oke, Mr. Hui, now you may to continue again.
Okay, thank you. So now I will show you this one for the server install for the OPC server installation. The server machine we how to do and how to fill some paths and fill some folder names. I show you how to set up and how to install it. Okay, one by one I show you. This picture is only tell you I want to do. Okay, I show this photo. I can show one by one. Okay, this photo I have installed. I have installed this OPC server program. So later I will show the new program.
Oke.
Okay, now I first to look for the installation program. Application. This for is 6.3. So others is between the 2 and other program. Server. Okay, this is installation program photo. Okay, this is for installation setup. Okay, I show you how to do. For the Windows 7 and the Windows 10, we need to use as administrator. This is master.
Oh, oke. Let me translate a bit.
Oke.
Jadi untuk kita melakukan instalisasi seperti yang di screen kita bisa lihat, untuk menginstal OPC server pada step awal, pada saat belum kita memulai setup untuk aplikasinya, kita harus run as administrator untuk Windows 7 sama Windows 10 karena itu yang step wajib dilakukan. Now you can continue, Mr. Hui.
Okay, now we start it. We can see my screen.
Wait, it's still freezing currently.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this is the first the picture.
Yeah.
And then we can select the next, and here the next. Oh, okay, here. We can see the same. Now we need to enter the installation directory. So now below, let's just now we have I show you the path the path. Okay. Sorry.
It's okay.
Okay, D point D for disk and OC40 key is on and being and OPC. This photo.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Now next. Okay. Here the first we are installed the server program. So which option is server? Here at the first next.
Mm-hmm.
Here we will select the photo, the program photo. So now the program and now we select the OC. Okay, here OC4000 software for 6.3. Okay, this one and this one. The default is this one.
Okay.
Okay, only is finished. He will install it. He will install the program.
Oke, so let me trace a little bit. Jadi Bapak-bapak sesuai yang ditunjukkan oleh Bapak Hui, bisa dilihat dari step by step. Kita langsung saja melakukan pencet tombol next, lalu di directory itu kita browse di mana folder kita mau menaruh instalasi OPC server ini. Jadi nanti Bapak bisa menyediakannya dulu seperti yang tadi di presentasi, kita bisa menyediakan directory-nya dulu atau tempat atau folder untuk aplikasinya. Lalu kita pilih sebagai server. Setelah kita pilih sebagai server, nanti kita akan diminta untuk mencari programnya, yaitu program yang kita cari adalah OPC server OC4000 software V6.3 begitu Pak. Lalu nanti setelah itu dia akan otomatis install dan akan muncul installation complete. Mr. Hui, you can continue now.
Okay. Okay. So the first after we installed the server program, later we will to install the client program. Just the way like we installed the server program. Only you just again restart it. And the computer. Okay. Next. Okay. Next. Okay. The installation directory same. Okay. D OC 6.3 being OPC. Okay. Next. Okay. Now we need to select the client.
Okay.
Okay, client. Next. Theme, the photo, program the photos. Okay, photo. Okay. This one. Okay. Finish. You installed and done. Successful.
Okay.
Successful. Okay, finish.
Oke, so jadi untuk klien stepnya juga sama seperti server dan juga untuk lokasinya juga harus sama juga seperti server. Jadi server sama klien tidak bisa dipisah. Dan setelah kita lakukan hal yang sama tapi dengan pilih opsi klien dan instalasi selesai, maka instalasi untuk klien pun juga selesai. Ya, you may continue now, Mr. Hui.
Okay. So we can sure we will install. Okay. Then okay. We have completed the two-step installation. One is the install the server and another install the OPC client. Okay, now the OPC, the OC4000 V6.3, the OPC server program have been completed, the installed. So next, we will, the two step is we will setting the DCOM, the Windows DCOM.
Oke.
Okay.
Sorry, Mr. Hui. Jadi dengan itu kita sukses menginstal OPC-nya. Jadi sekarang setelah kita selesai OPC untuk server dan klien, kita akan melanjutkan ke DCOM-nya. Ya, oke. You can continue, Mr. Hui.
No problem. Okay. So for the Windows, the DCOM configuration, the key point is we need to add the 5 users in the everywhere. So I will show you how to add these 5 users and how to set up the configuration. Okay, one by one. Now, first we will enter the DCOM. Use they come here.
Okay.
ECO, CMC, and CFD. They come, the program is okay. Okay, the first, for DCOM, we will set, I think we will set the 3 sites, need 2 configurations. So one is my computer properties, and one is XOS OPC server properties, and another is OPC menu properties. 3 sites need 2 configuration. Now, we first to sure how to configuration my computer properties. Okay, now we will secure my computer and properties. Okay, for the first, we need default properties. Now, normally we will, if the default alternative level is connect. Now we need to default. We need to connect to the none. For the first is none. Okay, apply. Now we will align to sure. No, I think we can collect it yes. No need. And again, he will return and we will properties again. Now this is select option is none. The first one. This is first one. Then okay, default properties. Okay, here the protocols. Normally, maybe here no communication the protocols. So you can end, and this is default. This is default. You click the OK. He will show here. Now I have show here. Okay, no select. Okay. The important point is here. Communication is certificate is here. This is important for us. How to? Just now I have seen the 5 users. We need here. There are 4 buttons is here. Every button we need to end the 5 users. Okay, here you can see there is everyone, and you can see 5 users here. Administrators, everyone is active and anonymous longer. This is 5 users.
Okay.
You need to end here. I show you now. You can see that. Okay, you have, and now we have, and everyone is we have. Okay, we need to enter advanced. Okay, you can find now. Okay. Oh, okay. Maybe now my computer is company computer. Maybe some configuration or maybe some option is different. But I think the most of them is the same. The local computer. Okay.
Mr. Hui, can I ask something? If it's in the new computer, then we should make an administrator
same.
or just like you to do right now. Same.
No, same.
Okay.
Okay, we will to select the 5 users, but now there are the 2 users is in here. So I selected to the other 3 users is administrator. Maybe. Oh, this is sorry. Okay, different. Administrator. Name. Okay, maybe there is the difference. Maybe because this computer is my, but I think the stuff is short, is same in the new computers. But now my computer is company computer. Maybe some name, the magical name, and others is different. The local computers. But I think you can and the 5 users like this administrator 1 and okay, I select 1
Okay.
Okay. And actually at the administrator name the administrator. Why he didn't? No, he didn't. But I think this is a computer. Computer is different. Okay. And under the okay, this is okay.
So,
So
Mr. Hui, I can explain a bit to the team before we continue. Oke. Jadi Bapak-bapak, ini adalah di mana my computer properties, di mana tugas kita adalah untuk mengkonfig di COM-nya. Tadi seperti yang di layar, nanti akan saya berikan rekaman juga. Untuk di config tadi kita search dulu di search bar, lalu kita buka. Nanti kita baru buka properties computer service ini, kita ke my computer untuk ke properties. Di computer properties tadi kita ada melakukan yang pertama adalah default properties, di mana kita ngubah default properties itu authentication levelnya dari connect jadi none. Habis kita oke, kita allow, kita oke lagi, lalu kita buka lagi sekali lagi my komputernya. Lalu di saat my komputer itu kita masuk ke default protokol untuk mengubah settingnya. Oke. Untuk nanti habis itu nanti kita baru nyari satu persatu di situ untuk administratornya apakah ada untuk memberikan permissionnya. Oke, Mr. Hui, you can continue now.
okay. No, there is four buttons you need to enter these 5 users. Is okay. Now you can select it is okay. So this my computer properties is complete. Next, okay, that is XOS is OPC server name is XOS OPC data access server. The properties we need to continue to set up. Okay, I show become. You can click the X. This one.
Oke.
XOS OPC data access server. You can click the properties. Okay, now you can see I show you this one. Although the authentication level we need from the setup select the default to the none. This one, the first, yes, and local. You need to select the first option is the real application on the computer where the data is located. This is what option is 1. Then, okay, here we only need to configuration the permission. This is default. This is use default. Okay, here the same. We need to add the 5 users in here.
So we add the user at the configure permission. There we edit there, so we add the permission at this part.
5 users is here. The same we need to add the 5 users is here.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, later you add I for example I need to add to interactive. Okay, you can add it. Okay, you can see and you select this is follow.
Okay.
For control reader you need to select okay. It's okay. Only we need to configuration this one. The configuration the permission is only this one. This 2 block is use the default. Then here you can see the default system protocols. Okay, you need to add one and the communication also TCP IP. You select OK is here. It will show here. This is default. Then here this one. Normally maybe in the new computer you there is default maybe is here launch user maybe is user, but you now for OPC server you need to select here the interactive the user. I think this is important for this step. Okay, now we complete calculations. Okay, you select the employer. Is okay.
Okay, so I can
This
explain.
is
Let me explain a
you
bit.
can. Yes. I will show you.
Oke, jadi Bapak-Bapak untuk yang step yang terakhir untuk yang identity tadi itu bagian identity, can you open the identity tab, Mr. Roy? The identity tab.
Which one?
No, the last one.
That's one. Okay.
Oke, jadi di sini biasanya kalau kita di komputer baru nih, kalau kita lagi mengkonfigurasi XOS OPC data server ini, jadi dia otomatis menurut Pak Hui settingannya ada di launching user. Tapi menurut Pak Hui juga ini harus diubah karena yang lebih bagus kita meletakkannya di interactive user karena itu lebih terjamin. Oke, terus can you open the tab location, Mr. Hui? Sorry.
Okay.
The location, the second
What?
one. No.
Is it here?
Ya, oke. Jadi untuk location security itu rata-rata default install settingannya. Jadi kita nggak usah ubah-ubah, udah dari sananya. Yang paling penting adalah bagian general di mana kita mengubah deteksi level dari dari default menjadi none. Lalu untuk bagian security di mana di bagian configure permission kita harus mengedit karena kita harus menambahkan user-user lagi, 5 user seperti yang di presentasi. Oke, Mr. Hui, you can continue now.
Okay. Now, so we have completed the third, the second, the first, the second step. Okay, the last one, we need to set the configuration the OPC manual properties. Now, before we see these options, we need to know the key point is maybe in the new computer you couldn't find this OPC manual program. Okay, you need to find, and so in servers, OPC manual you don't find in servers. Become servers, you couldn't find. So you needed to download the OPC core, the program maybe. Right here. This one. This is you need to install the in OPC core components. These programs you need to first install it before your configurations. Okay, then you can find the OPC manual. That okay, you can find.
Okay, let me explain a bit.
One, yeah.
Oke, jadi Bapak-Bapak, jikalau saat mau mencari OPC menu ini di komputer baru kemungkinan tidak ada. Jadi yang seperti tadi ditunjukin oleh Bapak Hui, Mr. Hui, Bapak bisa menginstal dulu di dalam folder OPC tadi yang dimana kita install di pertama kali di situ. Kita bisa buka foldernya, kita bisa install ada OPC core redistributable kali 86 gitu. Jadi kita bisa install dulu. Nah, habis itu kita baru balik lagi ke komponen service ini. Lalu kita bisa menemukannya OPC menu ini di dalam sini setelah kita install. Oke.
Okay. Then after you installation, okay, you can see this is maybe he is a menu and he is stopped. So normally you need to change it, and to change it you can say use service. In service you look for you found the OPC menu and the properties, select properties, and here you start up the type from the menu to automatic, and normally it is stopped. Now it's started. Okay, you can start it. You click this start it, and okay, you can apply, and okay, this one for the OPC menu in service. The property is set up.
Oke.
Yeah.
Jadi Bapak-bapak biasanya OPC menu ini walau baru diinstal, kondisinya bakal kemungkinan bisa aja nggak running, bisa aja lagi ke stop. Jadi untuk OPC menu ini diwajibkan untuk startup type-nya adalah automatic, lalu untuk service statusnya harus tetap running. Jadi startup type, jadi mungkin saat komputernya baru nyala, OPC menu ini langsung berjalan juga di saat itu juga. Oke, Mr. Hui, you can continue.
Okay. Okay. After you have started the OPC menu in server, then we need to configuration the OPC menu properties. Next. Okay, you can look for the decom, the configure, and the OPC here. OPC menu, the decom, okay, your properties. Then okay, then we can select this one, the fourth. General, we select the level is the none, this one. Maybe in default, and then we change it to the none. Location, okay, we select the second, the options. Read application on this computer. It's different to my computer. It's different. Okay. For OPC menu, we select the second option. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. The certificate security, we only assume the my computer certificate setting and configuration. We only set this here, the configuration permission, only edit this one, and we select the customize and check the entities and okay, same 5 use administrators, and everyone interactive and numbers are longer. The same my computer, we need to add 5 users. Okay, okay, the complete. Then, yeah, same is different. Okay, we need to add the connecting the TCP, the protocol, TCP protocol. Then this one. Okay, normally we match this one. Key point is here. Normally after install, at first we match these issues. The Windows systems only select this one, and the system account only this one. But we need to select this one, the interactive use. Yes. Why? How to do? Here, I show you kid. We need to the DOS in DOS commander. The DOS commander now, because you need to look for the OPC menu program where it's stored. Maybe for me, my Windows is 64-bit. So I see the OPC menu for the system 1.64 the photos. I show you 3 point. Okay, C Windows. And this one is this for and OPC EMUM is E and register. Okay, we need to type this commander in the source, then later we close this window and again the properties and we change here. Oh, sorry. Maybe he doesn't mean, but maybe in Arduino can do it. Okay, you can select this one. Maybe it's different. Maybe my computer. You can translate.
Okay, let me translate. So, jadi bapak-bapak yang bisa kita lihat di ini bagian OPC INUM-nya properties-nya. Yang pertama adalah yang paling penting general authentication level seperti yang sama kayak sebelumnya, yaitu kita harus none. Lalu untuk location kita default aja seperti di install. Lalu untuk security kita seperti sama sebelumnya juga, kita customize saja untuk mengubah di bagian configure permission, kita edit juga di situ, kita menambahkan eh, anggota usernya, yaitu administrators ya sama seperti sebelumnya. Lalu yang bagian endpoint juga kita harus menambahkan sorry. Mr. Hui, can you open the properties again? Sorry. I kind of lost track, sorry. Can you click the endpoints? The endpoints. Yeah, endpoints. Okay, yeah. So, Mr. Hui, so we must to add the connection-oriented TCP/IP, right, in here, or no? Mr. Hui?
Yeah, TCP IP.
Yeah, so we have to add it, right?
Yeah.
Ya, jadi kita harus menambahkannya juga seperti ya step yang sebelumnya juga untuk OPC data server. Lalu yang terakhir adalah yang Mr. Hui tadi mencoba juga untuk identity, kita harus mengubah. Biasanya dia secara default, secara normal, baru fresh install, dia akan installnya di sistem account, service only. Tapi yang diminta adalah kita harus memilih interactive user. Jadi karena kita nggak bisa mencet interactive user karena kita belum mendaftarkan service ini ke dalam komputernya, jadi maka kita harus ngebuka command prompt. Jadi di command prompt kita langsung pindah ke directory, kita ketik, bukan pindah, kita klik langsung seperti yang di PowerPoint, yaitu C.2 garis miring Windows garis miring sistem 32 garis miring OPC enum.exe spasi garis miring kanan rec server, itu untuk memberikan akses service ini ke dalam komputer. Jadi kita bisa nanti jika berhasil, kita akan bisa memilih interactive user untuk settingan identity ini. Oke, Mr. Hui, you can continue.
Okay, yeah. For us, we have the completed to set up the DCOM configurations. Three sites. One is my computer. One is OPC data access server. One is the last one is OPC email. The three sites we have completed to configuration the properties. Then we will enter the three. Now we into the server. We need to set up the server one. So we select the server. Now we need to the remote for the one. Okay, we need to in server program. We need to open and we should start to three program. There are remote process call and remote procedure call local and routing and remote access. The three program we needed to automatic set up the automatic and the running like this.
Okay.
Like automatic and the running the three sides. Okay, you can just it.
Oke, jadi ini untuk bagian service-service dari DCOM configuration. Bisa dilihat ada 3, dia service-nya ke-install, yaitu ada remote procedure call atau RPC, juga ada RPC locator, lalu ada routing and remote access. Ini harus dipastikan status type masing-masing dari 3 ini adalah automatic dan service statusnya running.
Yeah. Okay, like just as the menu, you can select automatic and start it. Okay, here automatic and right. Okay, and as is loading the access, the properties, and okay, automatic. Okay, start. Okay, maybe okay, then start it. Okay, so you can see the three program now is running and the start type is automatic. Okay, next. Okay, so for now, up to now, for the configuration is complete. Then we will configuration my OPC server program. Okay.
Oke.
The first one we need to install the first step is we installed it. So now we need to configuration the OPC server program. Okay, we will run this OPC server program. Run it. Okay, we will select it. Okay, we can find. Okay, two sides you can find. Okay, you can to program OC. This one. XOS Power 2. This is OPC server program name.
Oke.
Yes. Okay, you can select it.
Jadi
This one.
sebelum kita mulai, kita harus membuka OPC servernya. Nah, namanya kalau misalnya dicari di start button bisa dicari nanti ada OPC server. Nah, itu nanti kita bukanya yang power tool, itu yang kita pakai jadinya. Nanti akan muncul tampilan seperti yang ada ditampilkan sekarang sama Pak Hui.
Yeah. Okay, this is one part. Another is we can select the installation, the photo, just like you remember we installed here. The installed path is OC4000 being OPC photo. You can look for this one. This is install program XOS .exe. This is pro. Okay, you can run as administrator.
Oke. Jadi
System.
juga Bapak-bapak juga bisa melakukan dari membuka di mana Bapak meletakkan instalasi tadi untuk server sama klien tadi. Jadi nanti Bapak bisa buka foldernya, lalu buka bin, lalu ke OPC-nya, lalu OPC kita bisa memilih XOS .idw.exe. Nah, itu sama aja seperti tadi stepnya, seperti kita ngebuka power tool di start menu.
Okay. Then we need to for us we need to configuration the XOS Power Tools, maybe some endpoints. So for us, we only use the local server because install the local computer. So we need to use local server and show this debug on the server. I think this is default.
Okay.
Then you connect it. Do you want to know? Okay. Maybe this is my computer. The computer company computer. So he couldn't run the OPC server in my computer. Okay. I asked the Jeremiah is in the engineer room or not?
Pak Jeremy dipanggil oleh Bapak Hui. Apakah Bapak ada di ruangan atau tidak?
Maybe no.
Apakah dia butuh koneksi, Pak Ika?
Okay, so Mr. Hui, what do you want to ask to Mr. Jeremiah?
Yeah, I want to share the local computer in the engineer room. Because now my computer couldn't secure this one. Okay, I found it. Okay.
Jadi,
Okay. Yeah. Because my computer is company computer, so maybe now I couldn't run the OPC server program, but I catch that this shirt is here. The program is here. The program screen is
Oh,
here.
okay. Mr.
Okay.
Hui, I can ask Mr. Jeremy about the connection if you want.
Okay.
Oke, Pak Jeremy, itu Mr. Hui bertanya apakah koneksinya aman atau tidak untuk ke tempat Mr. Hui, karena Bapak Hui tidak bisa connect ke tempat engineering servernya, katanya begitu.
Oke, baik. Saya konekin dengan servernya.
Oke, so Mr. Hui, Mr. Jeremy will connect it first, so you can connect to the
Thank you.
configure server. Oke. Oh, yoi, yoi.
Okay, I think. How to select the
How to
cover? Okay, yeah. Okay, this one. Okay, this one.
Oke.
Okay, we run the OPC server program, then we will connect it, and we will connect it to the local server, OPC server. You will see this program, the
Oke.
skin. But now this is and the total DCS point in here. But in default, know this channels you need. Then you need how to do, and you need to here you need to end it. And the first one you need to end the channel.
Oke.
Okay, I will show. Then end channel. Okay, you can see channel. Then we and the device.
Oke.
Okay, channel device. Then and that block.
Oke.
Okay. Now for us, we need to select greet the three blocks: channel, device, and that block.
Oke. Jadi Bapak-bapak saat power tool sudah terbuka, akan muncul tampilan seperti ini. Dan biasanya karena kita baru menginstal aplikasi power tool ini, OPC data server ini, tampilannya ini XOS-nya kosong, bawahnya kosong. Jadi karena kosong, kita harus menambahkannya satu-satu. Kita pertama masukin device, lalu kita masukin channel dulu, baru habis kita masukin device. Setelah kita masukin device, kita masukin data block di dalamnya.
Okay. Then after you increase this 3 block, then you need to add the DCS point in this OPC server for client to connect it, read it. So now we need to, where is it here? DPU, one is DPU number is here. You need to know which DPU point needed to be connected. I think for OPC client, he can connect it, he can read the total OPC DCS point. So for OC 6.3 DCS systems, the DPU number is from 0 to others. Now for the this PDUL, the DCS systems is 6 DPU 0 to DPU 6. So for us, one is we can select the 0, the first block, that block, the first 0. Then we can select point type. One is analog point, another is digital point. Okay, we can select the analog point. Okay, start point ID must be is from is 0. Okay, I think this is the default. Must be is from 0. And point number, how to fill in, how to write this number. Okay, you need to, from this point list, you need to, this one, node is DPU number.
Okay.
Node is DPU number. So we need to, this and A is analog. So you can select it one. The largest, because you can see the analog for the DPU 0, the first is, okay, you can see, first is 2. But for the DC systems, the first number must be is 0. So now maybe the point 0 and the point 1 can be deleted. So, but we will the start point ID must be 0. The point number, we will write the biggest the number for DPU 0. Okay, A0, we look for
Biggest number. Okay.
4. Yeah, the 103. This number is the biggest. So we need to write here 104. Why is different and the bigger, maybe one big more than 103? Because the number is ID is from 0.
Okay.
So with the biggest point number is 104. Then you need to enable, select enable here, and device, enable, and channel, enable. Okay, for DPU 0, the point ended is completed. Okay, can you translate?
Okay. Wow.
Okay. At first, the step by step. The first one, we need to which DPU, which controller, DPU is controller, which controller needed to be connected. Okay, DPU is 0. Okay, this is 0.
Okay.
0 A is mean is analog. Analog and 0 is controller number, is DPU number, is controller number. 53 is point number. So now the first we need to send the analog point. So this is DPU 0 point analog and start must be 0. Must be
Okay.
0 and the point number is more than the largest number for the 0.
Okay.
For the 0 DPU, okay?
Okay. So before I explain, Mr. Hui, so where the point number is must extra number 1 or 2?
Okay, DPU is 0. Okay, for example, we ended the DPU 1, like from the, okay, then for channel, we don't change it. Okay, we only the device. Okay, here you edit device. Okay, device is a controller. You can select this is controller. Device is controller. The actually is device is the controller. Okay, you can click here. It's theme. This is and device. This is and device. You click it. Okay, this device. Then and that block. Okay. Now if we need to communication controller DPU 1. Okay, we change here. This is one DPU, one controller, and point type is analog. Okay, we can select analog. This start point is 0. Okay, point number. Okay, we look for. Now we can change here. Node is DPU number. It's 1. Okay, we enter. We can look for the biggest.
Okay.
This one, 262. Okay, we listen here, and the point number is 263.
Okay.
Because this is we have there is a 0 point.
Yeah,
Point 0 number is 0. So we need and one, the largest number and 1 to the to from here. Then okay, we select enable and here device and enable. Okay, the controller DPU 2 is complete.
Oke. Jadi ini bapak-bapak, ini step by step untuk masukin data block ya, untuk ngedata ininya, untuk menggunakannya lebih tepatnya menggunakan XOS ini. Jadi pertama kita harus mencari dulu DPU nomor berapa yang kita mau masukkan di dalam device ini gitu loh. Jadi data block ini. Jadi kita milih misalnya tadi udah dicontohin oleh Bapak Hoi tadi DPU nomor 0 sama 1. Ini kan yang sekarang 1 kan. Jadi kita nomor 1, point type kita juga harus selalu mengubah jadi analog. Habis itu untuk start point kita selalu 0, start pointnya kita selalu 0 atau 0. Lalu untuk point number kita harus mencari di DPU number di node-nya nomor 1 ini sampai nomor berapa sih point numbernya mereka gitu loh. Jikalau dia sampai 20 kayak di contoh ini 262, kita harus nambah 1. Jadi bukan jika. Untuk semua point number kita harus menambah 1 dari total yang ada. Jadi kalau misalnya 262, kita masukin point number 263. Jikalau dia misalnya cuma 51, kita masukinnya 52 untuk point numbernya. Begitu. Apakah untuk Bapak-Bapak adakah pertanyaan berhubung ini? Oke, jika
this is for analog point to end to the OPC server. How to end the digital? Okay, I show as is here, and channel and device and that block. Oh no, only one.
Terima kasih Pak.
the block. Okay, we select CPU2. Okay, here, CPU2, CPU2, and now we can select the digital point. And okay, start point is 0, no change. And port name, point name, okay, we can see here. No, now GPU is 2, and the digital we select here.
Okay.
So, and we can see this is from 0. Every GPU is from 0 here.
Okay.
0. Okay. Then we look for the largest number is 3, 4, 6. Okay. Yeah. 3, 4, 8.
Oh, okay.
Okay, then enable and then enable. Okay.
So I can explain more now. I kind of mistranslate though. Oh my god, I feel same. So jadi bapak-bapak, maaf tadi ada kesalahan translasi translate. Yang jadi kan kita di XOS ada analog sama digital. Oke, yang analog tadi seperti yang dicontohkan oleh Bapak Ho yang pertama. Jadi point type-nya adalah sesuai di tabel itu. Kalau bisa kita A berarti itu analog, kalau D itu digital. Lalu untuk penambahan data block sama aja untuk analog sama digital, di mana kita cari aja DPO number-nya berapa, yaitu DPO number itu nodenya. Setelah A berapa itu angkanya, itu nodenya juga A0, berarti node 0 atau DPO number 0. Jadi habis itu kita search, oke, kita atur sesuai di analog atau digital. Lalu start point-nya selalu 0 start point. Lalu point number selalu tambah 1 dari total yang dimiliki oleh DPU itu. Misalnya DPU 2, digital 2 ini ada 347, berarti kita tambah 1, jadi 348 point number ya. Lalu setelah itu kita centang enable, kita enable data block ya. Lalu di device kita enable juga, serta nanti di channelnya kita enable juga. Jadi habis itu penambahan data blocknya pun jadi udah sukses. Seperti itu. Oke.
Okay. The last, okay, you can add the total CPU, total controller to this OPC server. You can look for, okay, you click, okay. 1. Okay, you can look for, there are 6 CPU, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we can end this point to OPC server. I have ended this one. Okay, I delete this one. No need. Okay. Okay, at last, we can end the total point to the OPC server. Now, I change this channel name and the device name, so you can see it's different. I can see now CPU 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is channel. I change it to name and analog. So he data block. Each of the data block is the analog point. For this channel, I select the point type is digital point. So I separated the two sides. One is analog, one is digital. We can clear to find how many numbers. Okay, you can see the part number is 208, and okay, this 104, and everything is enabled. Okay. So this is the complete configuration.
The complete channel. Yeah.
No, complete. Is the point and the point is complete.
Okay,
and the point is complete. Yes, and the point is complete. Okay. Later, we need to know how to start this OPC server program, how to start it. Then maybe you turn off the computer, then turn on the computer. The OPC server needs to start it together with Windows together. So I need to set option setup. Here, default. Okay, this one. This is default path configuration file. I need a save. Save one file is here, default XOS. This is file name. Here, I fill in the file name is here, and the file, the default path is here. All this being the OPC. Then advanced. Okay, don't change file. No change. This is no change. Only change here. This is startup. This is startup is Windows startup, and auto start is on. Select on.
Oke.
Okay. Then you can select OK. Finish. You can translate.
Oke. Jadi begini Bapak-bapak, untuk yang tadi XOS itu ada 2 channel, itu udah dirapiin. Jadi itu tadi yang ditunjukin oleh Mr. Hui adalah sebuah tampilan yang sudah rapi dan organized. Jadi ada bagian analog sama digital, lalu masing-masing data block yaitu DPU-nya. Jadi semuanya udah tersusun rapi, datanya juga rapi, dan juga udah pastikan enable semua. Lalu juga saat kita menyalakan komputer atau mematikan komputer, kita usahakan power tool ini juga nyala, yaitu dengan cara kita ke options, lalu kita ke setup tadi. Itu dimana kita mengubah itu menyesuaikan dulu yaitu default path sesuai yang di tampilan aplikasi kita, yaitu kita bisa lihat ada D.2/OC4, yaitu sesuai lokasi yang kita install tadi. Lalu ini default name-nya, lalu ini juga direktorinya sesuai, pokoknya intinya sesuai dengan di tampilan. Lalu untuk bagian advance, di mana kita di sini yang harus kita ubah yaitu untuk server sama startup kita harus ubah menjadi on. Jadi saat nanti kalau server sama startup itu saat komputer kita nyala, kita itu auto create sama auto start. Jadi semuanya tetap aman datanya gitu. Oke.
Okay, you need to, and after you set up this option and the point in the OPC server, you first is stop it.
Okay.
And restart it.
Okay.
Okay, now is complete. Successfully, I think it's complete.
Oke, jadi Bapak-bapak, jika sudah selesai dari option juga udah, lalu untuk tampilan endpoint ini juga sudah rapi secara tampilan, terorganisir, untuk masing-masing DPU ada, atau masing digital juga, analog digital juga sudah ada, lalu startupnya sudah di setting juga, kita matikan terlebih dahulu power tool-nya dengan tombol yang ada tombol stop-nya itu, kita pencet dulu, lalu kita start ulang. Setelah kita lakukan itu, maka instalasinya pun sudah selesai dengan baik. Oke, Mr. Hui, you can continue.
Okay, now how to, for the OPC client, how to read the OPC server pointer value. Okay, we need to use the OPC client, the program. Okay, like normally we can use this Mexican OPC client. Okay. Now, up to now, we installed the OPC server program in this local computer. So we need to test and check the OPC server is running and is normal So we use the Magic OPC Explorer, the program, to check for local. So we can run the Magic local, and we can see. You can select. Okay, you can. Yeah. For local, we need to also, okay, you can first you can end the server. Okay, you need this one. He will show you in this local we have which one, how many OPC server in this computer. Okay, for us, with the OPC server name is introducing XOS OPC point 1. This is OPC server name. Okay, then you click the OK. You can show it here in introducing XOS OPC point 1 is here. Then you can end group. Then you can group 0. Later, for these items, okay, you can and the continue to end the item.
Okay. So,
Okay, here you can see this. Just now we make a build. The device name is here. DPU 0A and DPU 1A, and others is DPU 1D. Okay, you can compare here one.
Okay.
You can see this device name is here, show here. Here. So now then you need to, okay, we just to, okay, we select it here. Then, okay, here is maybe the item ID is DPU 0D.0, but you don't know the actually the IO point tag name. You don't remember. Okay, you can compare it. Okay, I show you the X list. Okay, now we DPU 1.
Okay.
DPU 1.
Digital.
Yeah. Okay, you can see this is DPU 1. Oh, this is D. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. No, we can select A. Okay, and look A is here and here.
Okay.
So it's a DPU A 0. This 0.
Yeah.
This 0 and correspondence is 0. 0 corresponds 0, but if you read the 1, the further number 1, the pointer value, okay, you need to change 3. Change 3, no 1. This is 3 how to say multiple
Sorry?
Okay, how to sure this one I have sure this one. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah, I'm what? Wait. Let's see. Can I change screen? I'm currently still watching Mr. Jeremy screen.
Okay, I sure my screen. Okay, can you see my screen?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, this one we can see later I will send the customer maybe just last week I have sent the file to the Jeremiah. He can open it to the customer. Okay, we show it. I have shown my point list. Okay, now. Okay, here.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. For us, we for the OPC client, he can look for the point is here.
Okay.
He can find the point number, point name on his, but he need to corresponds to this one. This name tag name is actually IO tag name is here. So maybe the engineer only know this point, but he needed to tell the OPC client you need to add this point name. This is here.
Okay.
Yeah. So me as a key point I like here. You NetWin X list. Your for analog is A1.1. It means analog and DPU one and the number one tag name. How to configuration you need to enter is DPU one A13. This is 3 like this one. Is 3 mu per how to English, sorry. You can see here. Okay. This is not sure again. This one. Okay. Actually, point 0 in X list at A1.1. Now maybe in your X list you can see this one. Okay. Here. Okay. This is in X list. In NetWin program X list, you can see this one, the A1.0, this point. But in OPC server, you only can be look for this tag name.
Okay.
So is 1 compass is 3, 2 is 6, 3 is 9, and 4 is 10, 12, and 5 is 15, 6 is 18. So it's 1 by 1. 1 by 1 from response.
Okay. So it's from this table if you want to know which one is which.
Okay, like if we I sure I can do it. Okay, I return to the okay. I stop sure. Maybe the Jeremiah can be sure.
Oke, Pak Jeremy minta tolong share screen lagi, Mr. Hui-nya.
Okay. Sorry. This one. Okay, for us, we can look for compare one. Okay. For example, if we read this one, A1.8, 1PT1188, the value is 154.3. Okay. How to read it? Okay. Then
Okay.
we end. If you analog, okay, if you A and A1, if you A
Mhm.
and here, we need 24.
Oh, with times
Yeah,
3.
yeah, times 3, yeah, times 3, yes, yes, yes. Yeah,
Okay.
one, and we can end it.
Oh yeah,
This is here.
the 24, yeah.
Yeah, it's right here. So this is, you can see this
Yeah.
value and here this value.
Okay.
But its tag name is the the item ID is different. Actually, the tag name,
Okay.
IO tag name. So maybe I make one file to clear it, and you can find the response.
Oh, okay, 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 okay.
This
So,
is for analog point. How to read the digital point is different. Okay, I sure.
okay, okay.
Okay, then you select the digital
Mhm.
and okay, we select okay like this one. Point value is 1. Okay, then oh, and items. Okay, this is digital. This is digital. So I select the DPU 1 digital. Okay, select yeah
Okay.
and change. Okay, how you can see this is select 6. So now we is different to the analog. This is 6. Same thing. But we need and this one 0. This is
Okay.
different. Okay, you and then we check it. Yeah, it's true. 2 is 1, value 1.
Okay.
Then, if we want to add another before is 7, how
Mhm.
to? Then we add item. Okay, 1, then 7, oh, and, and then you can see here 2.
Okay.
So is the difference is analog, and digital. This is tag name is different. But in my file, I have make a some response. You can check.
In my file. Oke. Oke, oke.
Okay, you can translate. Okay.
Oke. Jadi begini Bapak-bapak, ini cara kita ngebaca value analog sama digitalnya DPU. Jadi pertama tuh eh kita misalnya can you from the server adding the server. No, 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 no. Where we add the server first. Oke. Jadi kita pertama tuh nge-add servernya dulu, yaitu kita ngebuka masukin intellition.xo sopc1 itu. Habis itu kita masukin kita add group. Nah, di dalam group baru kita add items. Nah, saat kita add items, can you show the add item screen, Mr. Hey, if you may? Thank you. Nah, di sini kita bisa ngelihat setelah kita masukin di server di situ ditunjuki bahwa apa aja sih yang tersedia dari server intellition.xo SOPC1 itu juga sesuai dengan yang kita lihat di power tool yang kita tadi udah masukin tadi. Jadi misalnya kita mau masukin dari kita mau masukin DPU underscore 00 underscore A gitu kan. Ya kita pilih DPU 02 atau 1A ya seperti Bapak Huit demokan. Lalu kita klik tagnya. Nah, di item ID ini yang kita masukkan di angka belakang untuk yang analog kita itu memilih yang analog tuh memilih sesuai poinnya. Jikalau kita milih poin nomor 6, berarti kita kalikan dengan 3. Gitu loh. Jadi semua yang kita pilih di misalnya analog 1 poin 1 berarti kita tambahin di belakang bukan 0 tapi 3. Jadi kita masuk aja DPU underscore 1 underscore A titik 2 3. Tapi sesuai yang dicontohin Mr. Hui, kita milihnya yang A1.6 berarti kita DPU garis bawah 1 garis bawah A titik 2 18. Jikalau sudah kita baru masukkan, kita add tulis. Kalau sudah kita add tulis, kita centang, kita oke, kita close dan kita accept kalau kita sudah itu nge-add. Nah, nanti bisa dilihat di Matricon OPC Explorer ini, kita bisa ngelihat yang mau kita masukkan itu tadi DPU garis bawah 1 garis bawah A titik 218. Itu kita bisa ngelihat value-nya sama kualitasnya sama timestamp-nya dan statusnya aktif atau tidak. Itu untuk yang analog. Yang kalau untuk yang digital, jikalau untuk digital tidak jauh beda. Kita melakukan step yang sama, yaitu kita lihat dulu pertama di table-nya. Kita misalnya mau masukin nomor 12 gitu kan. Jadi kita masuk ke D1 DPU D1 1D and lalu kita masukin available text-nya kita masukin. Nah, di sini kita ganti value 0 di belakang itu jadi 12 jadi kita ubah namingnya penamaannya jadi DPU garis bawah 1 garis bawah D titik 2 0 itu yang biasa kita ubah menjadi di depan 0 kita tambahin angka sesuai yang di tabel poin berapa kita mau masukkan sesuai itu lalu kita baru titik 20 jadi kita masukkan sebelum titik 20 habis itu kalau sudah kita add dia ada di situ habis itu kita accept. Nah kita juga bisa lihat yang bisa di add ada itu yang kita lihat juga di Matricon OPC Explorer ini. Begitu Bapak. Okay, Mr. Hui, you can continue now.
Yeah. Okay, return to my screen.
Oke. Bapak Jeremy bisa matikan screen share-nya. Oke.
Okay, still in my screen, I return to the expand this one, and for the analog, we can the point number is the 3 multiplying is 3. 1 is calculated is 3, and 2 is 6, and 4 is 12. For the digital, is the point number is 1, 4 is 1, but we need and this one. This is 0,
Yeah.
and it is okay. But then okay. So the OPC server, as now the OPC server, we have completed checked and confirmed the OPC server is running, and we can to connect to the read the OPC server point values. So, but for the OPC client, I think we somewhere needed to be set up. So now I will introduce to how to set up in the OPC client. Okay, for the OPC client configuration, I think maybe we need 3 points to set up. One is my computer purchase in the DCOM settings is okay. It is same as the OPC server. It's same as you can if you get you can check my just now I have introduced this one. My computer purchase need to setting. Another OPC menu is same maybe settings and RPC is remote process control. This is in server setting. You need to set up. Total the configuration and settings is same as the server.
Okay. So
Now the key point is we need to select the internal active use. This is key point.
so the key point is for the identity we must select the interactive user. Isn't that right, Mr. Hui?
Yeah.
Oke. Jadi untuk OPC client juga nggak beda jauh settingannya sama yang server. Ya mirip lah, mirip. Kita ngatur propertinya, yang penting yang diubah kalau untuk client adalah interactive user-nya. Untuk bagian identity kita pilih interactive user-nya aja. Itu yang paling penting. Oke, you may continue, Mr. Hui.
Okay. Now I think now we have complete OPC server and the OPC client. Total the configuration we have set up. So now I confirm the communication is normally. So just I think I have training complete.
Oke. Jadi Bapak-bapak untuk training dari Bapak Hui sudah selesai. Menurut Bapak Hui semuanya sudah dijelaskan dengan baik oleh Bapak Hui. Jadi untuk jikalau ada pertanyaan bisa ditanyakan. So, Mr. Hui, this is the question and answer time, right? So we can ask anything to you, right?
I think you can ask me some questions. Maybe so. My English is not good, so I think maybe continually, if the customer have some questions, I think I can remote support them to resolve some questions. He can write to me mail or the message to me. Okay, I think.
Okay. So if the team have question about the application, the server and the client, they can email you the question, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If we can use WeChat, okay, and others, I think. But because in China we don't use the WhatsApp app, so maybe you need to install the WeChat communication.
Okay. So for us to reach out to you, we better install WeChat. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Oke. Jadi begitu Bapak-bapak. Jadi jikalau ada pertanyaan lebih baik kata Bapak Hui di emailkan atau di install. Bapak-bapak bisa install WeChat, bisa nanya langsung ke Bapak Hui karena secara bahasa Inggris juga Bapak Hui juga terbatas. Jadi untuk pertanyaan mending di email atau enggak di WeChat aja bisa diinstal untuk kontakin ke Bapak Hui mengenai jikalau ada kebingungan. Okay, Mr. Hui, can you send to Mr. Jeremy this PowerPoint?
Yes, okay, no problem. I think okay, maybe I don't give you the point, but I think send you the point printed to the PPT, the file, the PDF file to you.
Oh yeah, okay, you can send the PDF. Yeah, that's better. Okay.
Yes, okay, no problem. I think later I will show the team.
Okay, let me. So, jadi Bapak Jeremy itu udah semuanya dari Bapak Hui. Apakah ada ingin ditanyakan atau yang diomongkan?
Eh, terima kasih Pak Ikas, Pak Wi. Bapak-bapak di ruangan meeting, apakah ada yang ditanyakan Pak? Atau Pak Ilham mungkin kalau ada di sini?
Di sini tinggal yang di ruang meeting sama kita aja.
Oh iya. Halo Pak Anta.
Eh,
Pak Anta.
Pak Jeremy, sorry. Untuk pertanyaan kata Bapak Hui, jika lo bisa dikirim email aja sama di chatting aja. Soalnya
Oke, oke.
Bapak Hui juga ya tadi bahasa Inggrisnya juga gak bagus katanya.
Oke. Pak Anta, apakah ada yang ditanyakan Pak? Atau aman semua? Halo Pak, maaf Pak Anta. Bapak-bapak di ruangan meeting Pak.
Cukup aja Mas, kayaknya.
Cukup ya Pak. Jadi kita nanti untuk materi presentasinya Pak Hui, nanti saya kirim dan share di grup WA kali ya Pak. Dan kemudian untuk rekaman training ini juga akan saya kirim Pak. Jadi lengkap lah. Seandainya ada yang ada yang belum jelas tadi sewaktu pelaksanaan trainingnya Pak ya.
Oke, siap Pak.
Oke Pak. Eh, jadi Pak Ikas, terima kasih Pak Hui. Kita sudahi meeting untuk training hari ini. Terima kasih atas kehadirannya di meeting di training online ini. Eh, kami dari PT Imeco Intersarana mengucapkan terima kasih atas semua supportnya selama pelaksanaan pekerjaan ini. Demikian Pak.
Okay, so that's all for today, Mr. Hui. Thank you for the training. From Imeco, also say really grateful for the training. Really help the team and really thank you for your time for coming and train us here.
Sorry, maybe my English not clear, so I'm speak not clear to you. So if I think if you met some issues, okay, you tell me. Maybe I can help you, and maybe we together to the resolve it. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Berarti sudah ya, berarti ya Pak.
Oke. Siap. Terima kasih Pak Ikas udah bisa ini Pak.
Sorry Pak, kenapa tadi Pak? Kepotong suara ya Pak?
Halo,
Ya.
halo Pak Ikas.
Ya.
Udah Pak, demikian. Jadi kita sudah bisa meninggalkan ruangan meetingnya Pak. Terima kasih Pak Ikas.
Okay. So Mr. Hui, you can also leave the meeting room.
Okay, thank you.
Ya, thank you. Oke. Terima kasih Pak Jeremy, terima kasih Bapak-bapak semua di
Oke.
PLT Belitung. Semoga sukses.